Did you miss the university application deadline? Don't panic, you might still have a chance. A late application is anything submitted after the official deadline, whether it's the form itself, documents, or even the fee. So, what happens next? Your application goes into a separate queue. Universities first process all the on-time applications and then work through their waiting lists. If there are still spots left, they'll start looking at late applications, usually on a first-come, first-served basis. Your chances really depend on how many vacancies are left in your chosen program. The most crucial step: submit everything immediately. Don't delay sending your documents. A quick heads up for international students outside the EU or E. Applying late is unrecommended because of the time it takes to get a student visa. To see which programs are still open, check the university's official website. They often have a list of courses still accepting late applicants. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips.